Hello everyone, welcome to the recipe corner. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. If you love chocolates, you are going to love these brownies. Rich, fudgy and incredibly easy to make. Let's get started. Start with 225 grams of chocolate chunks, saving a handful for the toppings later. Add 115 grams of butter, then melt them together until smooth and glossy. Give it a gentle whisk and let the mixture cool down completely before you use. Let's prep the dry ingredients. Add 50 grams of flour, 25 grams of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix and sieve the dry ingredients before you use. Take a separate bowl and crack into 2 eggs. Add the 60 grams of white sugar and brown sugar, half tablespoon of coffee powder, half tablespoon of vanilla and 1.5 tablespoon of flavorless oil. Whisk everything together until it will combine. Now add the melted chocolate and gently mix until it fully blended. Now add the dry ingredients and fold everything together with a spatula until just well combined. I have a pro tip for you, please do not overmix, otherwise you won't have the perfect brownies. Now take a greased baking pan, transfer the batter into that pan. Sprinkle some reserved chocolate chunks over the brownies and bake to the perfection. Bake the brownies on a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Here the amazing brownies are ready. We will be coming up with more successful best recipes. For that, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more recipes.